Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to kick off the second match of this tie. It's the women's doubles. It's Sindhura and Devika taking on Feroz and Uttama of the Smashers. And with me is Yashwant from the Credicon Mavericks, who's had Imad Dalpati earlier. And going to be joining us in the comms box for the rest of this tie. So, welcome, Yash.
Thank you so much, Soli. It's a pleasure being here with you. And I think we have a very interesting combination today. We have Feroz and Uttama. It's never easy to play a lefty and a right-handed person. It's going to be an interesting match here.
Yeah, absolutely. Lefty-righty combos have, I think across all racket sports, always cause some sorts of problems to opponents here and there. That's a solid shot from Devika, and everyone here who's to support the Titans is letting her know it.
We have some intense cheering going on here.
So the Titans are leading this fixture 1-0 with the first men's doubles victory going to them. And the Smashers are hoping to level things up so that they can get a level playing field going into the men's singles game, which is next. That serve is wide.
But great drives from Sindhura there. And Devika also displayed some really good net game. I think it's going to be a very interesting match.
Yeah, I think Sindhu comes from some tennis background, if I'm not mistaken, and so does Feroz on the other side of the court. So I think a lot of that translates very well into what they're trying to do here on the double side of things in pickleball. Feroz obviously is one of the highest auction players in the league, and specialty is singles for her. But our understanding is that she's carrying a minor injury, so she's only going to be playing the doubles this week, and singles is going to be played by Ramya.
That's quite unfortunate, but the Starry Smashers lineup is very solid, especially their women's. Both Feroz and Ramya are one of the strongest players in the squad right now, in the entire league, if I can say that.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't think any other single squad has got the kind of strength on the women's roster the way the Smashers do. I think that was pretty evident with the way they went about it in the auction as well. And the results, I think, are very evident.
Absolutely, and I think at that point, like during the auction, a lot of people kind of questioned their strategy of getting two such strong women players at really high prices. But going by how they're performing, I think they've done a brilliant job.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, Harsh and Sandeep knew what they were doing. It's the Smashers back on serve now. So last week, Uttama actually played a very good doubles game, and I think she partnered Ramya last weekend, and they managed to get a good result on that game. So they're going to hope to get a similar performance out of her this weekend.
And great hands there from Uttama again. She's really good with her volleys at the net.
Great court coverage from Sindhu. She's managed to pick up the lob that's landed behind Devika and come back all the way again to put that ball away. So
two really good serves from Feroz there, back to back, putting the pressure on Titans.
yeah, there's been a couple of good exchanges here, a few points, but obviously the scoreline's not very reflective of that. So I think both teams are going to have to focus on just making sure they don't give away points on their own service easily, because they tend to work hard to win the service back, and then a couple of errors here and there creep in. That's a solid put away there from Feroz. He's absolutely gone, dissected both of them down the center. The ball has managed to travel through.
You're absolutely right about the service return part, Soli. Especially when you give away too many free points or make unforced errors with the return. It kind of puts the server in a driver's seat, and you really don't want that. Great drives there from Feroz again.
So it's a second serve now for the Smashers. They are slowly making progress on this scoreline. It's 5-1. Oh, she's missed the drop. That was the right shot there. I mean, it was a good shot to attempt. Both of the Smashers were back at the baseline. They had an opportunity to win the point on the drop there. Great hands there from Sindhu. She's blocked that drive from Feroz and found the gap between Uttama and the sideline, and she's put that away. So once again, there's some good points that the Titans are putting together, which unfortunately the scoreline's not really showing.
Welcome to Hyderabad Technology. How are you finding the
That's unfortunate there. Never easy to get the ball off the net. Really important for Titans to kind of get back into momentum and get a few points here now.
I think the Smashers are focusing a little more on Devika's side of the court. That's the third time they've gone in that same direction. Seems to be working.
Really
for them.
important for
They've
Titans
managed
to kind of
force a few
get back
errors
into
from her
momentum and
paddle
get a
on
few
that side of
points.
the court. Once again, fired away straight at her.
Great volley from Sindhura. She's been very solid today, both from the baseline as well as from the net.
And it's 8-1. That's the break. The players are going to change sides. I think the Smashers are finding success with this combo of driving the ball hard a few times, and then once the loose one comes in, then coming up to the kitchen. So obviously the driving comes quite naturally to Faye with the singles kind of gameplay that she has.
And she's been very solid with her drives as well. Soli, she was out last week with a minor injury, but you really can't tell. It feels like she's almost lost no form. She's still playing her A game. She's looking very confident out there. And I think at this point they're just going to try and stick to the game plan that they have going from the start.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's working. It's 8-1. They still got their serve. Try and close this off as soon as they can, and hope that Rohan the result in the men's singles to give them a 2-1 lead going into the women's singles, because I think Ramya is going to be playing Moksha. Both are obviously phenomenal singles players, and I have a feeling going into that singles match being up in the fixture might be something that gives either player an immense amount of confidence.
That's going to be a great matchup. Soli, Ramya's been playing phenomenal off late. She's doing a great job driving the ball and coming to the net. And Moksha's looking very solid as well. Her ground strokes, especially her drives from the baseline, have been getting better with every match. So I'm really looking forward to the Ramya versus Moksha matchup.
Yeah, and that's left-hander versus a right-hander as well. So it'll be interesting to see which side of the court they plan to attack. A couple of quick exchanges there. And Smashers finally turn the ball over, and service is now with the title. So this is a big deficit to come back from. I mean, a 1-9 lead when you look up and you see the scoreboard, and you've got an 8-point gap. What would you normally do in this situation?
Yeah, it's always intimidating to see the scoreboard and notice that you're, down by 7 or 8 points. But I think just keep playing your game. Pickleball, as a game itself, has a lot of momentum swings. So I would say stick to your plan and kind of, just maintain, be consistent. Try not to give away any free points, and the tide could turn anytime.
Absolutely, we were just having doubles game as well. Wow, that is a amazing forehand volley from Uttama. It's just flown by Sindhu for the winner. But yeah, we were talking about the timeout and how useful it can be to break momentum, to kind of get a chance to get back into the game.
And speaking of timeouts, Soli, I'm surprised the Smashers haven't taken a timeout. Or I'm sorry, the Titans haven't taken a timeout.
Yeah, this is slowly getting away from them, though. It's 1-11 now. Feroz and Uttama don't look phased or troubled in any way. Just going about their business.
And like you said, their strategy of just driving from the baseline is working so well for them. You can really see those tennis shots coming in now from Sindhu, Uttama, as well as from Feroz. They're all just so comfortable and confident hitting their ground strokes from the back. Great shot from Uttama there. Did a great job taking the ball at the highest point and just hitting it down the middle.
You can see they're enjoying themselves out, both playing, enjoying the game. Enjoying the support from the crowd. There's it's good. It must be nice to have a good amount of you when you're on court. It's a good feeling to be experiencing.
Absolutely, and it actually helps quite a bit.
Titans with the service now, trying to salvage. Wow, that is a superb drop shot from Faye. It's the second serve now. The Smashers are going to want to try and convert this as soon as they can. It's a large cushion. I think everyone's got an expectation of the result of this game now. And that's a put away again from Uttama. That forehand in the center for her, the left hand. She seems to be going cross court so comfortably.
That's unfortunate, but a great win for the Smashers.
Great result for the Smashers. Not sure if you can hear this on our mics, but there is some phenomenal support here for the girls.